Hey guys, welcome to and back to my channel. I'm Faith Abe if you're new here, and I do love design tutorial videos. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you different ways you can earn money using your design skills. Many of us acquire valuable skills but often struggle to figure out how to make money from them. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more video tutorials, and let's get straight into the video. Making money with design software can be really great, and there are of course different ways you can earn money using your design skills. Number one way is freelancing. Graphic designers often choose this path to earn income, that is, offering your design services to clients on a project basis. There are websites where you can create a profile and connect with people who need graphic design work. You can offer services like making logos, creating brands, working on printed materials, designing websites, creating social media graphics, or whatever you're into. These platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, Fiverr are excellent for showcasing your abilities and for finding clients. So all you have to do is join and create a strong portfolio to attract potential clients. Another way you can make money with your design skills is designing and selling physical products. If you're interested in product design, you can create your own line of physical products featuring your graphic designs. There are various ways you can turn your graphic designs into physical products. This could involve things like foot match, t-shirts, posters, mugs, phone cases, or even stickers. And you can use print-on-demand platforms like Redbubble to sell them. Or you can sell them on online marketplaces like Etsy, Amazon, or you can set up your own online store. Another way is to print and market them yourself physically. Could even be calendars or wall arts. I'd suggest to look up printables you can make and sell online or physically. And yeah, other than selling physical products, you can sell digital products also. This means designing and selling templates for websites, making social media posts, presentations, or even selling fonts. Using Etsy, Creative Market would look more into that under template designs. Another way is offering your graphics design services. With your software like CorelDRAW, Photoshop, you can do that. Create logos, posters, social media graphics, and other visual materials for businesses and individuals. Reach out to people and tell them what you can do. Because there are individuals or businesses seeking personalized designs like branding or website layouts. And then invitations, t-shirt designs, book covers. You can go to small businesses and design their business card, letterhead, and all that, tailored to their specific needs. There's one good way you can make money with your design skills. Another way is teaching design. I came across a video one time. It says if you have something and you want to make money from it, you can teach people to have what you have. It says there are some people who lack what you have in some field, and you can decide to help them get there. You can create and sell courses or tutorials on platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, or create tutorials on YouTube. And if you want one-on-one coaching, you can go for that because many people are eager to pay to learn the skills. So start a blog or YouTube channel where you can share your design tips, tutorials, and creative ideas using whatever software. And then you can monetize your content through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. We talked about template design. Let's go more into that. Selling templates for websites, presentations, resume, and other digital materials can be very profitable as many people prefer ready-to-use templates. Website templates are pre-designed layouts for websites. They include the structure, layout, and often some initial content. Individuals or businesses use them to kickstart their online presence quickly. Why? Because this template saves time, money, and the need for specialized web design skills. As a template designer, you can create themes for different niches and industries, allowing your clients to pick one that aligns with their brand or message. And for presentation templates, they are perfect for professionals who want to create stunning slideshows for meetings or educational purposes. And for resume templates, professional resume templates is in high demand, as a well-designed resume template can make an individual stand out in a competitive job market. So you can just decide to focus on template designs. And in choosing that, you have to stay current, market your templates, and offer variety. After identifying your target audience, consistency is key for graphic designers. regularly update your portfolio, stay current with industry trends, and effectively market your services to attract clients. And you should know that proficiency in design software is very crucial. Maintain consistency, a professional reputation, keep improving your skills, and see you at the top.